What's the big deal with keto, and do physicians endorse it? Low-fat diets do not help you lose weight. Until recently, conventional thought held that reducing weight meant restricting your fat intake. What exactly is the ketogenic diet? The keto diet requires you to consume less than 50 grams of carbohydrates each day. To give you a sense of scale, that's around 4 slices of bread. You're meant to eat fats and fiber vegetables instead of carbohydrates to gain your calories. What is the keto diet and how does it work? Your body will use carbohydrates to power itself if you give it the chance. Carbs convert to glucose, which is the preferred energy source for most of the body's cells if it's available. When there isn't enough glucose in the blood, your body resorts to breaking down fat molecules. These fat molecules decompose into ketone bodies, which your cells can use for energy as well. Going into ketosis is a different way of energizing yourself, which is why the keto diet exists. Because the fat-to-carbohydrate ratio in the keto diet is so high, you won't be able to eat many traditional Western foods like bread, rice, potatoes, or pasta. While this is self-evident, keto newcomers are occasionally startled to hear that higher carbohydrate fruits and vegetables such as apples, pears, and carrots are also forbidden. If you don't consume too much fruit, such as blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, you'll be okay. The fundamental building blocks of the diet, however, are meat. Is the ketogenic diet genuinely good for you?